Valles. Ako ang founder at originator ng BC Valles Farm. Ang mission nito ay food for everyone, food security. And ang mission niya, vision yung food security, food for everyone. Ang mission niya is to provide livelihood for as many farmers as we can. Ang brief history nito, nagtanim kami, nag-engage kami sa palay, nag-rice mill kami way back 1993-96. And we were quite successful, pero at that time wala kaming source ng mga materials to create natural fertilizers like chicken manure. So we stopped way back late 1990s. And then in 2004, we started again the poultry now in our first poultry in Santa Cruz, Zambales. We started with 10,000 chicken. It grew to 16,000 chicken. But unfortunately, since this is a conventional building, it was blown away by Typhoon Cosme. So we rebuilt, and we rebuilt it with modern Chinese, not really Chinese, but Western technologies called climate control system. So we are the first to build climate control system in North Zambales. And from then on, from 10,000 to 16,000, we grew to 130,000 broiler chicken. And in 2015, we started this farm. At the background, we started this farm, and our broiler grew up to 750,000 that time. But unfortunately, there was not enough chicks in the market, so we converted all our buildings to become breeder farm. Going back in 2004, when we started the poultry, our main goal is just really to make fertilizers for the farmers. And since there was a bigger need, we have to expand our reach. We also started piggery, but again, unfortunately, we were hit by African swine fever, so we're still struggling to bring it back. Hog growing is very good for households, and it sustains many households in the barangay before. And our goal was to distribute piglets for the farmers. So that's the brief history of our farm. And if you look at it now, we have more than 200,000 parent stock capacity. We have an accredited training center, and we are now reaching out to farmers using the natural method of farming. So basically, nandun na tayo ngayon, and we wish to show you more of the things that we do for the farmers in the farm, and how we do and promote natural farming methods.